How to reset a DirecTV box is freezing or acting up. There are two main ways to reset it: a simple restart or a factory reset. Simple restart. You can unplug the power cord from the back of the receiver, wait about 15 seconds, then plug it back in. The box will reboot automatically. Or you can find the small red reset button. It is usually on the side or inside the access card door. Press it once and wait for the system to restart. Option 2, which is factory reset. If the issue continues, you can perform a full reset. Locate that same red button, press and hold it for at least 15 seconds. This will restore your DirecTV box to its factory settings, erasing all saved preferences and returning it to default mode. After the reset, give the box a few minutes to reload your channels and updates, and your DirecTV should be running smoothly again. That's how to reset a DirecTV box.